Have you ever pondered the question, what if my PC could chat with me intelligently? Well, ponder no more. Nvidia, a global leader in graphics processing and AI technology, has released a groundbreaking innovation that might just change the way you interact with your computer. This is not your average chatbot. Called Chat with RTX, this AI-powered assistant runs locally on your Windows PC. Yes, you heard that right. It does not require an internet connection, meaning you can have a chit-chat with your PC anytime, anywhere. But what sets this chatbot apart from the rest? For starters, it's a demo app available for free. However, it does require a Windows PC or workstation equipped with an RTX 30 or 40 series GPU. Now, here's where things get interesting. Users can feed the chatbot with personal data, such as documents and other files to customize its queries. This means the more you interact with it, the more it gets to know you, and the more tailored its responses become. It supports various file formats and can even analyze YouTube videos using their transcriptions. Leveraging open source projects for its functionality, Chat with RTX is a testament to Nvidia's commitment to innovation and user experience. However, it's important to note that the chatbot creates JSON files inside the folders it indexes, which can be problematic when feeding it large folders. In summary, Chat with RTX is a game changer in AI chatbot technology, offering users the opportunity to interact with their PCs in a more personalized and engaging way. It's another step forward in Nvidia's mission to transform our interaction with technology. So, next time you're sitting in front of your PC, remember, you're not alone. There's a witty AI powered by Nvidia's cutting-edge technology waiting to chat with you. Isn't that something to marvel at? That's all we have for now. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from the world of AI and technology. Until then, keep exploring, keep innovating.